The concrete test hammer, invented by Ernst Schmidt and introduced by Prosek at the beginning of the 1950s, remains to this day the most widely used non-destructive test instrument for a rapid assessment of the condition of a concrete structure. One of the most important parameters required by engineers is the compressive strength of the concrete. The permission to take cores from existing structures is often severely restricted or even forbidden. In such situations, the rebound hammer is the only viable alternative to estimate the compressive strength of the concrete. There are many other application areas where access restrictions or the need for speed mean there is no practical alternative to the rebound hammer. Prosek's Schmidt family of concrete test hammers is the most comprehensive portfolio available. It covers the entire range of compressive strength classes from 1 megapascal, 145 psi to over 100 megapascals, over 14,504 psi. Each rebound hammer is designed to meet the specific needs of the customer, with both standard impact energy and also low impact energy versions for thin structural elements and brittle objects. With the fully integrated digital Silverschmidt, Prosek offers the most advanced rebound hammer available in the market. The original Schmidt is the basis of every international rebound hammer standard and remains the benchmark against which all rebound hammers are compared. The Schmidt OS 120 is especially designed to test on softer material such as lightweight concrete, gypsum boards, fresh concrete, and the mortar joints in brickwork. The Silverschmidt features superior performance, unmatched repeatability, and intuitive operation, all in a rugged and ergonomic unit. Independent validation testing has shown that the Silverschmidt's patented optical detection technology for the rebound value Q has less dispersion than the classical hammers over the entire range. Another unique feature of the Silverschmidt is the capability to test independently of the impact direction. User-defined correlation curves for customer-specific mixtures can be downloaded via the powerful Hammerlink software onto the hammer. This, together with onboard correction for form factor and carbonation, allows the best possible assessment of compressive strength. This method of working is recommended by all major standards such as EN 13791 and ASTM C805. In combination with the Silverschmidt PC Type L hammer, the special mushroom plunger extends the lower measuring range down to approximately 5 megapascals, 725 psi. This, coupled with the Silverschmidt's inherent angle independency, makes it the perfect tool to determine when the formwork in tunnel linings should be removed. It has been proven that rebound hammer measurements may be combined with ultrasonic measurements to give even better estimates of the in-situ compressive strength. Here we can see the Silverschmidt being used together with Prosek's Pundit Lab Plus instrument to determine compressive strength on site using the SONREB method. Although they were developed primarily for testing concrete structures, the Prosek rebound hammers have long established themselves as recognized test instruments in other fields such as rock testing and paper roll hardness testing. For more technical information, applied standards, or any other questions, please contact your local Prosek representative or visit our website at www.prosek.com.